Then I was shocked. So,
Beses pa lang natin mapag-uusapan dito po sa
nabawa
on-call.
dito.
Tungkol po ito sa reklamo ng isang babae transgender na nakiusapos po ng award ng ospital. Sa tagal na rin nang natuturo, hindi daw siya nakaramdam ng kalantasan o komunikasyon sa pinapasukan ko.
Where have you been, boy?
Practice pa.
Dance practice for the school program.
Dance? Again? Why not play basketball like any other boys?
That's not alike pa.
You are my son. You should act like a man.
Pa, what does act like a son even mean?
It means strength, discipline, and respect.
What if I can still have those, even if I'm different?
Look who's here, the dance prince. I'm just telling the truth. Boys should not act like girls.
Don't think for a second I'll let you act like that. Like some girls, you think you can just float around, prancing, swimming, pretending you're something you're not. Boys don't do that. Real men don't. We should act like men that we were born to be. Girls, things are for girls only. We shouldn't be soft, weak, pathetic, and don't think I'm scared of calling what it is. Exactly what you're doing. That's not right, not normal. I don't care if you say it's just how you are. Boys don't cry. Boys don't act like that. And if you do, you're nothing but nothing.
And who said that?
Society, that's how things should supposed to be.
And all the while, this part of me has been screaming to be seen. Who I love, how I feel, who I am, and it's me. And it's nothing wrong. And it's something to hide. I'm scared of judgment, scared of rejection, scared that people I cared about don't understand.
But traditions are not always right.
So everything now is acceptable?
Maybe the real question is, why does being different scare people? You okay? I wish my mother could hear that conversation.
Marco, the neighbors are talking
About what?
about your son. They say
She's young, confused, like what about it?
you should correct him while he is still young.
Correct me. Is that what I am? A mistake?
I just want what's best for you, boy.
Or what? Is easy for you? Pa, philosopher say every person has the right to live authentically. Yes, to live truthfully, to be who they are. If someone forces you, someone you are not, are you really living? Pa, you taught me to be honest, so I am honest. And this is who I am. The real question question is love conditional?
Can I ask you something?
What is it, daughter?
If Jay were exactly the son you imagined, but unhappy, would it make you proud? And if he's different, but brave enough to be himself, is that really something to be ashamed of?
Maybe I was just afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of the judgment of people. I do not understand yet, but you are still my son. Maybe love means that I need to learn to understand.
I used to think it was normal, you know. The jokes, the comments, the way we laugh when someone was different. Everyone around me did it, so I never questioned it. I thought it made me strong, like I was protecting some kind of idea what a real man should be. But the truth is, I was just afraid. Afraid to admit that I didn't know everything. And instead of learning, I chose to mock. Instead of listening, I chose to judge. I remember the look on my friend's face the day I said those things. At the time, I told myself it was just a joke. But jokes aren't supposed to make someone feel small. You aren't supposed to make someone feel like you don't belong. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized something being homophobic doesn't make anyone stronger. It doesn't make anyone better. All it does was hurt people who already have to fight to be accepted for who they are.
No. Hearing new things doesn't, more probably you realize. For a long time, I got used pretending like things didn't hurt. When people made jokes, I would laugh along like it didn't matter. But the truth is, it did matter. Words stay with you longer than people think. Words cut you deep more than a knife. Growing up, it sometimes feel like the world already decide who you're supposed to be. How you should act, why you should like, how you should live your life. And when you don't fit into the picture, people look at you differently, like you're wrong just for being yourself. But I learned something true. All of that, sometimes it takes time for us to understand and accept. Maybe freedom is not being accepted by the world. Maybe it is the love we choose to understand us.
Where have you been, boy?
Hearing you say that's me more than you probably. Marco, the neighbors are talking.
I used to think it was normal, you know. The jokes, the comments, the way we laugh when someone was different. Everyone around me did it, so I never questioned it. I thought it may be wrong, like I was protecting some kind of
Sana mag-viral tong video na to bago ka lumagpas sa ating Facebook page. Sana mag-viral.